Hi, Julian here from the SERP.net team. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo of Keyword Analyzer, which is a tool that can help you understand why your competitors are ranked high and what you need to do to outrank them. Each analyzed keyword will show you the average monthly search volume, cost per click, pay-per-click competition, top 10 results in Google, and more. We also provide you with a keyword difficulty score that indicates how easy or hard it will be to rank for the analyzed keyword. You can analyze any keyword or phrase. Keyword Analyzer is located in the Keyword Research section in the Tools menu. Here we can see my history of past searches with some interesting metrics, such as a keyword difficulty score, average monthly search volume, cost per click, pay-per-click competition, and so on. To run a new search, click on the blue plus button located here. Enter a keyword, then select a database. You can choose between google.com, google.co.uk, google.fr, and many other Google databases. Then you may enter your URL here. I'm referring to the URL of the page you are trying to rank for this keyword. So you can then compare your metrics versus that of your competitors and see how close or far you are from them. Then click on Analyze Competition. Here are the results. Here we have a few interesting stats, including the search volume, pay-per-click competition, cost per click, average SERPed rank of the top 10 results in Google for this keyword, average social signals, average page authority, average trust flow, and traffic value. Here we have a keyword difficulty score, which indicates how easy or hard it will be to rank for this keyword. The higher, the more difficult it is to rank for this keyword. This score gives you a good indication and can also be used for quotes. When a client or prospect asks how much it will cost them to rank for a specific keyword, you can analyze competition in Keyword Analyzer. The higher the score is, the more you should charge them, because the more difficult it will be to rank for. Under the keyword difficulty score, we can see the top 10 results in Google for this keyword in the Google database that you selected in the search form, which is shown here. For each result, we can see the SERPed rank, Alexa rank, the number of social signals, Moz rank, domain authority, and page authority. We can also see the number of backlinks, number of referring domains, number of .gov links, number of .edu links, as well as the citation flow and trust flow from Majestic. At the bottom here, we can see our URL, so we can easily compare. That's plenty of useful information. For example, here, a domain authority of 47, it's considered quite high, so it's marked in red. On the other hand here, a trust flow of 5, it's considered quite low, so it's marked in green. This should give you a good idea of the level of competition for this keyword. If you click on Show Advanced Results here, it will load even more data, including the domain age, word count, number of outbound links, and whether or not the keyword is in the page title, meta description, and headings. Clicking on the three-dot icon here will give you more options to analyze this page in what ranks where and see what other keywords it ranks for, in Stat Explorer for even more metrics and stats, and in Backlinks Explorer to analyze the backlink profile in more depth. Under this table, you can see a Google Trends graph that shows the level of interest over time, as well as some related searches. You can of course export this data in the form of a PDF, CSV, XLS, or ODS file. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly support team by clicking here and on Submit a Ticket.